All right, everyone's favorite time. Doing work. Everyone loves doing work. Just kidding. Pretty common one right now. Got a 2015 Toyota Highlander. They're gonna do spark plugs just for maintenance. Well, that's crazy. Got a little bit of a dead mouse right there. So yeah, he's wanting to help me do the spark plugs. Feels like I do right now, dead. But it's funny, I look online and everyone that shows this is acting like it's the fucking first V6 that they ever made, and they made it and they're introducing this. So I'm just gonna keep it real with you. There's a couple easy things to do, man. If you're looking this shit up, it's because you want to just know how it comes off, not because you want to watch me finger the fucking engine, you know what I'm saying? So there's a bracket back here holding the intake. There's a bracket on the other side of the throttle. Take your hoses and tubage off, release your intake bolts, the shit comes right up. And then also you have to loosen a bracket in the back because it's covering the coils. It ain't fucking rocket science, you feel me? If you're scared, go to church. I'll holler at you when I get the intake off and we get rid of this little mouse. All right, we're back. You know, not too bad. So if you look at it, I have it flipped like this. I just took the throttle off. There's two brackets, or two mounting brackets on the back. They're both 12 millimeters. You know, they usually want you to flip the plenum gasket, but they didn't get me one. But plugs are in the back, I already changed them. This thing pays about 3.1. If you're not scared, it probably takes you like 30 minutes max. But yeah, not too bad, man. 2015 Toyota Highlander spark plug replacement. Like I said, just for maintenance. Nothing too crazy, pretty straightforward. So we'll get you another shot when I get it all put back together and running. Happy birthday. All right, man, we did it, we got it. It's all running, it's good. I gotta put the clips back in. Literally been about 10 minutes since my last video, so hose back on, throttle back on, airbox back on, couple tubes, brackets, torque down the intake. You know, if you can get new gaskets for it, cool. Yeah, I just wanted to shoot a little video of a quick job. It just makes me laugh when I see the videos online of someone acting like they invented the 6-cylinder Toyota Highlander. Bro, simple job. A lot of times I found that if you're looking up videos to do it, it's because you know it's a 6-cylinder, you feel me? So, holla, 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 holla. Another one.